We thought we'd outsmart the guys. Then the GoPro exposed us. Be me. 25. Fresh out of college. Degree in environmental studies. Thought that meant I'd automatically be outdoorsy. Reality, only ever hiked if there was a cafe at the top. Friend group decides on a weekend survival retreat. 3 couples total. 1 married, 2 dating pairs, me plus BF of 11 months. Girls immediately form a group chat. This time we show the guys' brains biceps. Half joking but also not really. Convoy up there in 2 cars. Guys up front in SUV, us in a beat-up sedan. Dollar store camping gear still has price tags. GoPro stuck to dashboard blinking red. We're gonna crush it, girls? I poke my BF's arm. If I build the fire, you admit women do it better. He just smiles and keeps driving. Somehow that stings worse than an argument. Arrive at retreat. Expect cabins, fairy lights, maybe a hot tub. Actually looks like an abandoned backyard project. Crooked outhouses, splintered picnic tables, mud everywhere. Guys, perfect. Girls, immediate side-eye. Instructor appears, clipboard in hand. Says we'll do survival challenges. Shelter, fire, food, navigation. Adds, no extras allowed. We yell, girls versus guys, before he even finishes talking. Men just shrug. Unload cars. Guys hauling 2 bags each. We drag sleeping bags and joke about taking the mental load. They don't laugh. Night falls. Woods are pitch black. Every twig snap equals serial killer. One girl begs her BF to sit outside the tent all night. He actually does. We still barely sleep. Morning. Guys already up, boiling water like it's nothing. Hand me burn instant coffee. Still better than what we make later. Navigation challenge. Guys silent, focused. We're arguing about whether moss means north or moist. We pick moist. Come back empty-handed. Guys already sipping tea. Navigation complete. Pain.jpg. Fire challenge next. Our big feminist moment. It's about patience, not strength. Match after match dies instantly. Wind laughs in our faces. Hands frozen. Tinder soaked. Panic rising. One girl finally whispers, "Screw this." Pulls out a pink Bic from her backpack. Lights it behind her hand like she's committing a felony. Fire catches. We cheer like heroes. Guys clap slow. One goes, "Didn't know Bic made survival gear." TFW camera caught everything. Dinner challenge. Rice brick, gray beans, ramen paste. Guys cooking actual food that smells edible. Guy tries ours. Crunches once. Writes something on clipboard without saying a word. Guys try not to laugh. Fail. Next morning. They're joking around the table. Strongest spark of the night was the lighter. My soul leaves body. Shelter challenge. We pick a bad spot, start arguing instantly. Don't copy them, that's pathetic. Rope slips, tarp sags, rain starts. Whole thing collapses like a wet burrito. Guys shelter solid, bone dry. We crawl under there shivering. Guide gives them 30 out of 30. Us. 10/30ths not viable. Evening review circle. Projector playing GoPro footage. There it is. Pink lighter flicking in HD. Entire camp dead silent. My BF buries his face in his hands. Guide. Fire challenge void, score 0. No one even laughs. Just the crackle of the guy's real fire in the background. Final results. Men's team sweeps every category. Winners, men's team. They fist bump. We're sitting there in blankets, mascara streaked, trying not to cry. One of the girls snaps. "You only won because you've practiced this your whole lives." Guy just shrugs. Guess the scoreboard practiced too. Everyone laughs. We sit there in silence, watching their fire burn warm and steady. Ours long dead.